Today we are going to be connecting with Mother Earth. There's a reason why we call this planet Mother Earth. It's because this planet cares for us. It loves us. It wants us to succeed. There's an energy, a spirit to the planet, and we're going to be connecting with this divine spirit today. When we ground ourselves, truly ground ourselves in the present moment, then we connect ourselves with our divine nature, and then everything around us becomes awe-inspiring. We begin to notice the beauty, the magnificence of everything. So in order for us to find that connection today, we first need to find presence. So all I want you to do is focus on your breathing. Become aware of the rising of your chest and the deflation of your chest. Breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth in a way that feels natural to you. You don't need to force it. If you feel like you need to take a bigger breath, then do so. Just be conscious of your breathing in this space. You should already begin to feel more present. When we focus on our breathing, it allows us to become more aware of what's going on around us. We focus less on what we've got to do. We stop overthinking because all we're focusing on is breathing. Breathe easy. I want you to bring your awareness to whatever is around you in this time. Just focus on your room, or if you're outside, focus on what's around you. Just be aware of whatever you can see visually, whatever you can hear. Maybe you can hear the water flowing around your radiators, or maybe you can hear birds chirping outside, wherever you may be. What do you hear? Become aware of your body. Do you feel warm? Do you feel cold? Are there parts of your body that may feel warmer than other parts of your body? Do you feel tension in any areas? If so, then allow yourself to feel more loose and less rigid. Now you are more aware of your surroundings. I want you to start imagining a connection. Whatever you're touching, whether you're sitting on a sofa or a bed, or if you're standing, then focus on what is making contact with your body right now. And where there is that contact, I want you to imagine a divine energy flowing from you through the seat or through the ground and into the planet. This connection is so strong right now. You are at one with Mother Earth. You are everything. You are losing all your attachments that you identify with, your possessions, your thoughts. You are just simply an energy at this time. You are the ocean, washing slowly into the shore, backwards and forwards. You are the sand, blowing gently in the breeze, moving from one part of the beach to the other. You are the beautiful blue sky, the most perfect colour. Feel that colour, feel the blue. It's welcoming, it's friendly. Notice the sun shining through the blue, the warmth of the sun, the rays of the sun shining on the surface of the earth. You are the birds, the seagulls flying over the beaches, the robins nesting in the woods. You are the trees themselves. You understand right now that everything is connected. You can feel this divine connection. You are a part of it. You are blades of grass. You are the insects that live in the soil. You are everything on this planet. And all you feel right now is love. Pure, divine love. Motherly love. You feel secure, cared for, happy, joyful. All you feel right now is goodness. And you're just appreciating this connection. You can come back to this space, this security, whenever you are feeling anxious or stressed or worried. Remind yourself of this feeling. You are truly loved. You are a part of this beautiful planet. There is a spiritual connection that is unbreakable. And you can always return to it just by being present. Remind yourself to just focus in the present moment on what's around you. Thank you for listening.